Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, capacities, and prices to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers advanced features such as 6 wash cycles, a stainless steel tub, and user-friendly controls, making it a great choice for those who want convenience and versatility. In contrast, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is more basic, featuring a twin tub design with manual operation, which may require more effort but is budget-friendly. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER has a capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, which is suitable for small loads. However, the COSTWAY model boasts a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger laundry needs. This difference can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you have a lot of items to wash. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $309, reflecting its advanced features and durability. On the other hand, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is much more affordable at $159, making it a great option for budget-conscious consumers who still need a reliable washing machine. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and COSTWAY portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize advanced features and durability, the BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a larger capacity, the COSTWAY is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.